Welcome everyone, and I am so glad you could show up today to talk about something every creator should be obsessed with. We are going to dive into exactly how you can turn a single interview, podcast, or webinar into an entire month of social media content. Yes, one single recording can actually become a powerhouse content engine if you treat it with the right framework and strategy. I want to walk you through some practical ideas you can reuse and show you how to make this entire process totally painless. You won't need to spend weeks inside complex software like Premiere or iMovie to make this happen. I live for the art of turning long-form energy into those perfect bite-sized moments that stop the scroll. If this is your first time here, welcome, and stick around until the end for some Q&A vibes or at least a few actionable tips. Let's start with a hard truth. Social platforms absolutely love anything that keeps people on their site for longer. Native video, which is uploaded directly to the platform, always performs better than just posting a link to YouTube. Remember that people scroll without sound because they are in meetings, on trains, or just enjoying some quiet downtime. Your content needs to be snackable, silent-friendly, and completely obvious without needing audio to be understood. Most of us make the mistake of recording a great webinar and then just letting it sit in a drive gathering digital dust. And if you find editing intimidating, like timing captions or cutting the perfect clip, you are definitely not alone. The mindset shift here is simple. Treat your long recording exactly like a massive feature article. You would not publish a 3,000-word post and just hope for the best. So apply that same logic to your video. Step 1 is to pick your objective, whether you want pure brand awareness or specific traffic to your sign-up page. Step 2 is defining your audience, because one long webinar often contains golden nuggets for several different groups. Try to treat every short clip as one video for one specific audience, keeping it focused and incredibly relevant. 40 to 60 seconds of high-value focused content will always beat a crowded 5-minute teaser. Step 3 is using specific format templates, like a sharp quote clip with big readable text. You can also create listicles or summaries, which are fantastic for quick consumption while people are scrolling their feeds. Step 4 is all about batch creating your templates so you can swap out faces or quotes without rebuilding from scratch. Step 5 is to publish often, because frequency increases your reach when the content you are sharing is genuinely useful. You do not need to be a professional editor to get these clips out into the world and growing your brand. Tools like Vizard are built exactly for this problem, helping you turn long videos into snackable clips instantly. The platform scans your long recording to find moments that are likely to perform, like emotional beats or emphatic pauses. This saves you from the paralysis of trying to figure out which part of your hour-long talk is actually worth clipping. Another huge feature is auto-scheduling, which lets you queue up clips across platforms without having to manually manage everything. You can manage your captions, thumbnails, and calls to action all from one single dashboard. Imagine having a 45-minute webinar and turning it into 3 quote clips, 2 takeaway posts, and a teaser summary. Add in a couple of question-based clips and a behind-the-scenes moment, and you have 9 pieces of content ready to go. That is a full month of content created from just one single session without having to reinvent the wheel every week. Always remember to format for silent viewing, leading with a strong hook in those first 2 or 3 seconds. If you are recording a speaker on stage, you can simply extract a short written quote and place it over B-roll footage. My typical workflow is to grab the transcript, let the AI suggest the best clips, and just tweak a few captions. Treat every webinar or interview like the content goldmine it is, instead of letting it die in a folder. Use these tools to get more reach, better engagement, and a real return on the time you spent producing that long-form asset. Before you close your laptop, pick your goal, choose 3 templates, and start pulling those golden moments. I will hang out here for a few minutes if you have any questions about clipping moments or how to A/B test your captions. Thanks for staying with me. Go out there and make that one recording earn you a full month of content.